Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
Welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen, where our cozy farm kitchen brings you healthy, delicious, and globally inspired recipes.
All right, food enthusiasts, welcome back to another delicious episode. Today we're diving into a breakfast classic that's sure to impress: French toast. But not just any French toast, we're talking about the most mouth-watering cinematic French toast you've ever seen. So grab your aprons and let's get started. Today I'm going to teach you step by step how to make this delightful dish. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie, this recipe is simple and fun to follow. So let's dive right in and create some magic in the kitchen. Imagine biting into a piece of French toast that's crispy on the outside, yet soft and fluffy on the inside, topped with your favorite fruits and a drizzle of syrup. Sounds heavenly, right? Well, let's make that dream a reality. First things first, let's gather all our ingredients. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. You'll need some thick slices of bread. I recommend using brioche or challah for that perfect texture and flavor. Next, gather your eggs, milk, sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. These ingredients will create a rich and flavorful custard for our bread and a bit of vanilla extract. Got everything? Great. Now let's move on to the fun part, mixing everything together. Start by cracking a few eggs into a bowl. Depending on how many servings you want, you can adjust the number of eggs. For a small batch, 3 to 4 eggs should be perfect. Add a splash of milk. This will help create a creamy texture for our custard. Whole milk works best, but you can use any milk you prefer. Now sprinkle in some sugar and a pinch of cinnamon. The sugar adds sweetness, while the cinnamon gives a warm, comforting flavor. Don't forget that vanilla extract. Just a teaspoon will do, but feel free to add a bit more if you love that vanilla flavor. Whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth. You want to make sure all the ingredients are well combined to create a uniform custard. Next, get your bread ready. Cut thick slices if you haven't already. The thickness of the bread is crucial for that perfect French toast texture. I'm using some thick slices of brioche bread for that perfect texture. Brioche is rich and buttery, making it ideal for French toast. Dip each slice into the egg mixture, making sure it's fully coated. Let the bread soak for a few seconds to absorb all that delicious custard. Heat up your pan over medium heat and get some butter melting in there. Butter adds a wonderful flavor and helps achieve that golden brown crust. Once the butter is sizzling, place your soaked bread slices onto the pan. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary. Let them cook for a few minutes on each side until they're golden brown and crispy. The key is to cook them slowly to ensure the inside is cooked through without burning the outside. While the toast is cooking, let's talk toppings. Fresh berries are always a great choice. They add a burst of color and freshness. A drizzle of maple syrup is a must. It adds that classic sweetness that pairs perfectly with the rich French toast. A sprinkle of powdered sugar, the choice is yours. It adds a touch of elegance and extra sweetness. Once your French toast is perfectly cooked, it's time to plate it up. Presentation is key, so take your time to make it look beautiful. Stack those golden slices, add your favorite toppings, and get ready to dig in. The combination of textures and flavors will be absolutely delightful. There you have it, a breakfast classic, made with a touch of cinnamon flair. This French toast is not only delicious, but also a feast for the eyes. Enjoy your homemade French toast, and don't forget to share your creations with me in the comments below. I love seeing how you put your own spin on this recipe. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.
Welcome to our channel. Here is a place for providing healthy and quick recipes around the world for you.
In the heart of the countryside, where the sun shines bright, there's an orange orchard, pure gold inside. Rows of trees basking in the morning glow, filled with citrus treasures, ready to bestow. In the beauty of the almond orchard, oh so grand, blossoms paint the air with petals drifting to the land. The scent of spring, a melody for the senses, nature's gentle touch, gift that never ceases, fields of gold, endless rows to behold, where the beauty of nature unfolds. From the orange orchard to the almond trees, a symphony of color